my dear students. I hope all of you find our lesson today about matter and its characteristics. Matter and its characteristics. Today we will talk about matter. What's meant by matter? Matter is anything around us that has a mass and a volume. Matter is anything that has a mass and a volume. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. I say the mass of this pen is 5 grams. Means that the amount of plastic in this pen equals 5 grams. The units mass are gram, kilogram, and ton. Volume, I say, matter is anything has a mass and a volume. Volume is the space occupied by an object. The space occupied by an object. Okay? The units of volume are liter, milliliter, or cubic centimeter. Liter, cubic meter, or cubic centimeter. Okay? Matters can be distinguished from each other by physical properties and chemical properties. I can distinguish between matter by physical properties and chemical properties. Firstly, we talk about the physical properties. Physical properties are color, taste, and smell. Color, taste, and smell. Density, melting point, boiling point, hardness, electric conduction, and thermal conduction. Thermal conduction. We will talk about color, taste, and smell. We will talk about many materials can be identified by external shape by color, such as gold and silver. I can distinguish between gold and silver by color. Gold, yellow. Silver is silver. Okay, I can distinguish between gold and silver by color. And I can differentiate between salt and sugar by taste. I can differentiate between sugar and salt by taste. Perfume and finger, I can differentiate between finger and perfume by smell. I can differentiate between finger and perfume by smell. Density. What's meant by density? I can differentiate between people by fingers and breath. Okay? And I can differentiate between matters by density. Density means the mass of unit volume. The mass of unit volume of the substance or its the mass of a cubic centimeter of matter. Okay? Density can be calculated from this relation. Density equals mass over volume. Mass over volume. I say the unit of mass is gram and the unit of volume is cubic centimeter. So the unit of density may be kilogram per cubic meter or gram per cubic centimeter. Each substance has its own density. Each substance has its own density. Equal volumes of different substances have different masses. Equal volumes of different substances have different masses. Means what? Means that 1 cubic centimeter of wood equals 1 cubic centimeter of gold. So the mass of gold equals the mass of gold. Secondly, equal masses of different substances have different volumes. Look at this. These substances have a density is lower than water density. But this substance has a density is more than water density because this substances is floating, but this is sinking. Because of what? Due to what? Due to the density. The density of this substance is lower than water density. But this substance, its density is higher density. Okay? Problems. Problem number 1. A solid ball has a mass of 50 grams and a volume equals 20 cubic centimeters. What is the density of this ball? From this relation, I say density equals mass over volume. Mass over volume. 50 over 20 equals 2.5 grams per cubic centimeters. This ball will sink in water. This ball will sink in water. Due to what? Due to its density. Its density more than water density, so it will be sink. Okay? Second problem. A solid cylinder has a volume equals 20 cubic centimeter and its density equals 3.1 gram per cubic centimeter. So, what is the mass of this cylinder? What is the mass of this cylinder? Mass equals density times volume. Density times volume. Density times volume. Density 3.1 times 20 equals 62 grams. 62 grams. Okay. Applications on density in our life. Water is used to put out petrol fires. Why? Because the density of petrol is less than water density. So, petrol floats on water surface and it doesn't put out the fire. It doesn't, look at this picture. The petrol fire will float on water surface. Okay? Balloons filled with hydrogen or helium rise up in air carrying flags during festivals. Why? Because the density of helium and hydrogen is less than the density of air. The density of helium and hydrogen is less than that of air. The determination of the change in the density of matter is taken as evidence of purity of matter, as a determination of the quality of powder development. Okay? Thank you. Goodbye.